guys, I'm Megima and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my summer makeup. So this is my summer makeup. I don't like to do like too much of makeup, otherwise it gets cakey and you get sweat, you keep on sweating and then the makeup just gets off. So I don't like those kind of a thing. So I just like to keep my makeup basic and simple. So this is how I did my makeup, and I didn't use too much products, basic minimalistic products, but I did use like more skincare products because you just need to protect your skin in summers. You just can't let the sun or any kind of things ruin your skin. So you should do a good skincare before your makeup. Not even in summers, in every season you should keep your skincare like more. You should give more importance to your skincare than your makeup, because I feel that skincare is more important than anything. If your face gets ruined, then there's no point. So that is why. But if you want to know how I created this look and what products I used, then keep on watching and let's get started with today's video. So let's start. First I am going to spray some serum and rose water. I'll just pat it down so that it just gets absorbed into my skin. I'll get the camera a bit closer. Now I'm going to use the Mamaearth face moisturizer. As I have said, it's very hydrating. I have talked about this product in my previous videos. If you haven't watched those, please go and give it a watch. You should always use like two skincare products before your makeup. So for the first step I used the mixture of rose water and sheet mask serum. You all can directly put the sheet mask on your face. If you have time to like give like a pamper session to your skin, then you can put on the sheet mask and then you all can do your makeup. So I have already applied lip balm, so I won't apply it again. So now I am going to use this Nature's Essence, what do you call it, sunscreen. Okay, so this is the sunscreen with SPF 40. You all should use sunscreen with SPF 50. Even if you use the sunscreen with SPF 100, it won't give you protection like SPF 50 does. I just took a lot of sunscreen because I like to take a huge amount of sunscreen so that I can massage into my face and my neck so that it actually penetrates into my skin. Okay, so now I'm going to use foundation. So for foundation I'm going to use the Maybelline foundation, and I'm just going to take a tiny amount of foundation. Oops. So I just took this much, and I'm going to mix the Good Vibes Grape Seed Skin Illuminating Face Serum into my foundation so that I get to make it like a BB cream texture, or so that I could make the foundation more sheer, if you know what I mean. So I am going to take like a very good amount of the serum. Okay, so I'm applying the foundation as if I am applying a moisturizer or something. If you all want, you all can dab your face with a beauty blender. I don't know why the camera is going out of focus. I'm going to apply eyeliner. I just drew a thin layer, thin line. Okay. I just do like a thin eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply a mascara. I don't like to apply too much. I got it on my. Okay. And for the last thing, I'm going to use this cushion lipstick by Nykaa, and it's in the shade Dream On. If you all want, you all can apply it as your blush also. Or you all can apply any bullet lipstick as your blush. Just don't put too much on your face. This is how my face looks like, so fresh. I look so fresh when I see myself in the camera. I look fresh and I feel so fresh after looking at myself, and it doesn't feel heavy because if I did not mix the serum into my foundation, it might have felt too heavy. And I didn't use concealer. I don't like using concealer in summers because then if you sweat it just becomes cakey, and I even don't like to use compact or any loose powder or something of that kind because it will again just look cakey. And as you all know, eventually the makeup will like get off because of the sweat, so that is why. But this is how my face looks like. And if you all can't see the lip color which I have on my lips, it is actually the color of my lips, so it's not too brown or not too nude, it's just in the middle. That is why my lips look like as if I didn't put any lip product. It looks so natural, so I like this look. But if you want like more dramatic eye but you don't want to do too much, you all can apply like one eyeshadow, not more than one, otherwise it will look too much for summers. And yeah, that's all for my video today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, follow the Siva Style Store, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.